when you turn 50, things start to go downhill. And I was like, what It's not true. He didn't take care of himself. I think 50 is actually the new 30 and 40 is the new 20. Once you get to a certain age, everything is done. You're done. Everything goes downhill once you get to a certain age. Oh, everything hurt. I am so weak. Learn about your body, understand your body type, understand what it needs, and start treating it with a bit of respect. Do the right thing for your body. Respect your body. I was getting ready for some clients and patients the other day, and I was sitting in the shop, and this person came in. I wasn't listening to that conversation, but it was so hard not to because the guy's voice was so loud, and he happened to recognize somebody that was sitting at the table. I was actually ignoring most of it because I was too busy with what I was working on. And the thing I heard was, when you turn 50, things start to go downhill. And I was like, what the why would you, who says that kind of stuff? That's not the kind of, I don't think that's true when you turn 40 or 50. He's like, you sneeze wrong and things can go downhill, blah, 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 blah. And the guy's like, oh, I'm glad you're out of the hospital. I talked to blah, 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 who told me that you were in hospital. So I was wondering, is that what people think when you turn 40 or 50, 60 even, that everything starts to break down? It's not true, because if you treat your body properly and you understand how to exercise and nurture it, it doesn't have to be that way. Looking at this person, not trying to shame or anything, but you could tell that he doesn't take care of himself. He didn't take care of himself. So he's a perfect candidate for that kind of situation. But I find it hard to believe that people think that, and I hope they don't. If I'm wrong, please put it in the comments. I think 50 is actually the new 30 and 40 is the new 20 if you do the right things and treat your body with respect. Yeah, I know sometimes people get left behind in terms of injuries or pain management at certain ages, and the system sometimes, there are loopholes or there are gaps in the system, but we have to be our own advocate. And secondly, I'm starting to understand that maybe there's a cultural belief that people are worried about talking about pain or talking about being injured or worrying that if you tell people that you're injured, that you're weak, or maybe you go on medication and then you become addicted to the medication. I think there's a part of that as well. But you have to take care of yourself. You have to understand how to take care of yourself, because we're so unique. Pain is unique. Being injured is unique because everybody's different. It's personal. The way we interpret pain based on our background is different from person to person. So one size does not fit all. But I'm not going to talk about that. I want to talk about the belief system that once we accept that we're always going to get injured or we're always going to have pain, that we can live with pain or get injured, or because this kind of statement from that kind of person was something that got me thinking. And I realized that I actually have had patients and clients in the past that actually felt that way. But throughout the process, we've managed to sort of figure out that we're not meant to live in pain. The body does not want to be in pain. We just have to understand how to respect it and help it understand that the pain is not what we want. It's not real. But if we keep doing the same things, we are going to keep getting the pain. So I find it hard to believe that people actually really believe in living in pain or getting injured and thinking once you get to a certain age, everything is done. You're done. You might as well give the kidney and the liver to somebody else that might make better use of it. Learn about your body, understand your body, understand how to treat it, how to respect it, how to nurture it, how to feed it. I'm not saying you shouldn't have fun, have wine, go out and enjoy yourself, but you have to have a balance. You have to eat nutritional foods. You have to understand that it's a trade-off. Some things are for you, some things are for the body. Some things are for you, some things are for your health. Some things are for you, some things are for your wellness and well-being. So I hope not everybody thinks like this, and I hope people don't think like this. Changing your body is a simple byproduct of treating your body with respect, in my opinion. That's what I've done, help with clients, and that's why I do a lot of prevention as well in terms of injuries and rehabilitation and health. It's overall health, and we need to start taking a lot of those negative imprints that we have, and the things we say, everything breaks down, everything goes downhill once you get to a certain age, and it's absolute garbage. I think it's rubbish. So we need to start thinking of it as in, why is my body feeling like this? What's the issue? Because every time we have pain, it's actually like a red light in your car. It's telling you something is wrong. How do we fix it? Let's understand how to make it just feel better this much, and then extend it and extend it and extend it and make it that way. Maybe we can actually absolutely get rid of the pain. Yes, some people need help. Some of us need help to manage the pain as we go along, but we actually can minimize. I'm a strong proponent and believer that we can minimize the intensity of some of the stuff that most of us go through. We just have to understand and create a plan for it. And it's not complex. It's not a complicated thing. It's like maintenance in your car. If you don't maintain your car, it's going to break down. If you don't, the red light comes on, you keep driving, and you keep driving and keep driving. Eventually, it's going to overheat or break, or the engine, you don't fix it. You don't put engine oil. All you do is just keep driving it. So think of your body that way. Understand how to manage your body. And like I said, I wasn't trying to shame that person because I don't know that person. I'm just trying to make people understand that a big part of getting success and having results is how we think as well. How do we put ourselves in a situation where we start to think and message the body in a way where it understands that we don't want that. We want to feel good. We want to look great. We want to be pain-free. Yes, there are some types of pain that we need help for. But I actually also believe that there are a lot of pain that people suffer unnecessarily are things that within their control. Yes, they might need direction and might need help, but it is within their control. So if this is in your vocabulary, everything goes downhill once you get to a certain age. Everything hurt. I am so weak. I am this and that and that. Cut it out. If you're really serious about changing your life or getting results, you start there. Cut it out. And understand that you actually have more power than you think. Stop using negativity and start putting that mindset. Don't stop living that mindset, because when you keep living that mindset, you get more of the same, as they say, right? Anyways, that's basically what I wanted to chat about. Yeah, there is a belief that we are meant to be in pain at a certain point in life, and I absolutely disagree. The bodies are resilient and we're brilliant. Humans want to do better once we know better. And yes, sometimes we need help, or we need direction, but you have to investigate it too. Plus, you have to be careful about what you're messaging, what you're saying to your body, what you're saying, putting out there, so that you can actually get those results and feel better. Have a good day.